Okay, traders, just going to run through yesterday's trade ideas that I posted into this channel here. Have a look at the outcome. So the first one was this, and I want to show you how easy it is to follow these. Aussie Yen set a bullish momentum sync alert for a possible buy opportunity. It doesn't get any easier than that. Got a few other things going on down here to back up this, but I'm just wanting to show you the signals and just show you how you can follow this just like paint by numbers. Right? So very clear. And I'm working on keeping this really, really simple. So let's have a look at the Aussie Yen. Here was the idea for a start. Set an alert on the trend momentum sync indicator. There it is. And take the next green signal. Once you enter the trade, then you're going to come in and set this alert here for the exit. That's exactly where I closed it. That's pretty simple, right? The other signal I sent yesterday was, we scroll down, dollar yen, buy if price breaks above this range and we see it retest and fail. Buy if it breaks above that. All you need to do with this is come straight in, and I'll show you the dollar yen. And by the way, why not trade a prop firm account and benefit from our trading strategy? I'll show you that in a minute, but here's the dollar yen. So the instruction is buy when this is compromised. There it is. There's the next. You're going to go off that signal there, off the trend momentum sync. In fact, it fired back here. See how we've got this green shaded zone following price? All right, well, if you see that, like it pulled back, this is where I entered my trade, right there. Take it. Okay, it's got everything going for it. The stop loss goes right there. Okay, you can see the dots. The stop loss, it follows this green shaded zone or red shaded zone. All right, so this here, that's your stop loss level if you are selling that. Simple, guys. Can't miss a beat with this. Now I want to show you what's possible. If you want to take this to another level, head over to my website and click on the How to Leverage link in the menu. Note, rather than trying to grow a small account, $500, $1,000, consider trading a big account, $25,000, $50,000, $100,000. Quite a few people approach me saying, I've got $200. Can we grow that? Well, yeah, but 10% gain on $200, is a $20 gain. Whereas if you trade a prop firm account, invest $200, have a look here, and that will get you into a $50,000 account. So rather than trading $200 to make $20, well, for $200 you could purchase a $50K account here and make $4,500. And that's an investment of roughly $200. This is definitely worth serious consideration. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Trade our strategy, and there's instructions here if you want to leverage by adding more than one prop firm account. Bottom line is you can trade one account and copy it over to multiple accounts, 2 or 3 prop firm accounts. So you need a prop firm that allows you to trade or copy trades from your personal account into a prop firm challenge, Focus Funded, and PropXP. Focus Funded are good for international clients, with the exception of Australian clients. However, if you're an Aussie, this is for you, PropXP. With Focus, get 20% off with my discount code, Anthony20. With PropXP, it's AnthonyFX20. Make sure you click these links for the discount. And that's how to leverage. Take advantage of our TradingView indicators and trade ideas and the mentorship that's offered in here now. It even gets better. There's a 14-day trial. If you haven't joined yet, jump on the 14-day trial and see for yourself how this can work for you. The trade ideas I'm posting are suitable for the London and a New York session. And at the moment, while we are in new indicator launch, this is heavily discounted. So shout me lunch once a month and you gain full access. Click on the WAP link and go back into WAP and you can gain immediate access to everything. If you need help, just reach out. Okay, guys, with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and I'll see you in the next one.